The only other thing we have to be careful of is this breather on the back sits down in between here.
Okay.
So I think it's going to be a lot of bringing the head up to here and then let it come down.
Okay.
Bring it up into here maybe. I don't know what it's going to be like. Let's see here. Alright, I got the motor. There we go. Let me see if I can just figure about this out. Okay, try. Nope. I think, oh, let's go in at an angle then. Let's, hold on a second. Let me see here. Grab by the crankshaft down there. There you go. Pick it up. Okay, hold, it's not gonna go. Hold on a second here. I got the motor. So what I'm thinking is I think we have to kind of come in from your side.
Okay.
So I'm going to bring it in. I want to bring the head over to here. Okay?
Okay.
And then we're going to swing it down in.
Okay.
Got
so
it?
Oh, crossing it.
Yes.
Okay.
Ah!
Lay it flat.
Okay.
There it is.
Hold on a second. My hand is underneath. Okay. No. Watch that. Let's bring it back. It's going to go.
Ready to come forward a little bit.
Oh, there we go. Okay, hold on a second.
You might want to
Go
move
ahead.
that way.
We're almost there.
Scratching.
It's okay. Let's see here. What am I hitting? Is this hitting right here?
Not on the.
We just literally have to slip it right into here. See this?
Okay. Yeah.
It's just right there. So if we can get any kind of movement.
Yeah, it's on the front. There it is.
Where's it catching?
Right here.
Uh,
We didn't get enough over. See what I'm saying?
mm-hmm.
How to do that? Can that come off?
It can. I was hoping not to. We can't lift the rear at all, can we? Now it's jammed in there. Now we're wedged in.
Yeah, because we're.
Okay. All right. What were we hitting? This thing?
No, it's on the bottom.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I thought it was hitting here.
No, I had room.
Oh, did you?
Like a 1/4 inch
Okay.
there.
Let's try it again. The breather's inside of it now, so if we lift straight up,
Okay.
maybe. Okay. Let me see if I can take it all. There we go. Oh, that's it. Are we in? Nope. Nope. It's so close.
It's this.
Oh, stop.
Okay.
Okay. And then
You just need to roll it. There it goes.
I gotta come toward the back needs to come towards you.
Yep.
What am I hitting over here? Ah, too far. Too far again.
Right.
Yep.
Really close. Hold on a second.
Hold on. I think that's why I wanted the hammer under there. Is because it supports under this thing in the front. There's a hammer.
A little more. Oh, almost. There we go.
Okay. Now it might not help us, but
Okay, now we should be able to rotate right there. There it is.
yeah.
Perfect. There it is.
That's what I was saying about the.
Yeah.
Okay. So this one goes here. You have to see it from your side.
Okay.
I'll wiggle the motor. Which way does the hole need to go? Up.
Too far. You gotta come down.
Okay.
We gotta come forward. Down more.
What?
Right.
My hand's stuck. Which way? Forward.
Right there.
Okay, and now we wiggle it until it just pushes through. Okay, there it is.
Done.
Woohoo!
One down.
That. Oh, trust me, we're done. That's all we have to do.
It's the hard part?
That's the hard part.
That wasn't too bad.
No. Ah.